Hi guys, welcome back to another video with your boy Pepe. Before this video gets started, let's roll the intro. Thank you guys for coming back for another video. In today's video, we're gonna make a very delicious dish. Stay tuned and keep watching. And you're wondering, what's he gonna make? I just see him talking. Well, today we're gonna make grilled chicken with red rice. Something simple and easy, something you guys can do at home too. So let's get started. Here we're gonna dice our chicken breast in half. We're going to repeat the same process to all three of them. Here we're gonna season our meat with paprika, cayenne pepper, and lemon pepper, and then we're gonna mix it all together to get all the juices flowing. Here we're gonna dice up our onion really thin, and we're gonna put the onion into a bowl and prepare for the next step. Here we add our 2 cups of rice, and then we're gonna mix it until we get a crispy brown color, and then we're gonna add 4 cups of water, 1 thing of tomato sauce. Here we let the water come to a little boil. Once the water was boiling, we added 2 spoons of chicken bouillon, and we mixed it in with the rice. Now that we have our tomatoes nice and roasted, now we're gonna throw them into the blender along with the chiles. We're gonna blend them. I'll show you how that works. You can add chicken bouillon to your liking. I'm gonna add salt to it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys like this video, don't forget to like it up, subscribe, turn on the bell notifications, comment down below if you guys want to see any other recipes. Peace.